If an individual has already filed their tax return but failed to report their property income, they may face a penalty for inaccurate returns. The penalty rate for filing incomplete or incorrect returns is different from the penalty rate for not filing them at all. The penalty will depend on the following factors: reasonable care, careless, deliberate, and concealed. If you make a mistake despite taking reasonable care, there won't be any penalty. If you don't correct inaccuracies on your own, penalties can range from 0% to 30% for voluntary disclosure, and from 15% to 30% for involuntary disclosure. If you voluntarily disclose inaccuracies, penalties can range from 20% to 70%. For involuntary disclosure, penalties range from 35% to 70%. If you intentionally hide inaccuracies from HMRC, penalties can range from 30% to 100% for voluntary disclosure, and from 50% to 100% for involuntary disclosure. If you have made an inaccurate return under the Let Property campaign, you should contact HMRC as soon as possible. You may also want to consider seeking professional advice from a tax accountant. They will be able to advise you on the best course of action.